Well, we have a beautiful Thursday, and instead of taking my 1940, which has not made it to the car show for several Thursdays in a row, last Thursday we did make it there, but it's still not running quite right. I pulled my Camaro out of storage, so for the first time this year, we're going to take my 86 Camaro to the car shows. Well, apparently we should have left a little earlier on such a nice day, because the entire parking lot down here, or I should say the street, is absolutely filled. So we're gonna have to go back down and park in the grass, I think, because there is no parking spots left tonight. A serious game of Connect 4 at the bar. She's probably gonna beat me again. Tasha's playing the slot machine.
Oh, I only won $25?
I won $20.
Well, I won $20. I only put in 10. So good job.
Almost was gonna pay for the night, but so you're up 10? No?
I'm up 15.
You're up 15.
Woo! Yeah. Woo!
Well, we made it here to East Dubuque, and there is no parking tonight. They have filled the entire car show area up completely. We're back over in the grass. Nuts, I couldn't do it. The reason Tasha comes 50-50.
092946.
Wow.
Anyone? 092946. Going once. Going once.
And with that, we all evacuate as the 50-50 is over.
Yep, I lost again.
Well, successful Thursday night car show. Just made it home. They had an awesome band. We were listening to music all night. Camaro ran pretty good for its first time out in about 6 or 7 months since I haven't driven it. Did stall a couple times, and from Power Tour on 23, I was having a problem with the mass airflow sensor, and I really haven't driven the car, but I think 2 or 3 times since then, and that's probably still an issue. So I am going to have to look at the mass airflow sensor and do a little bit of maintenance on the car, because I still haven't changed the oil from 2 years ago, but it was still full and pretty clean looking. And so we thought we'd take it tonight, and I have no complaints. So like I said, we got to do a little bit of maintenance to this one, but this car just always seems to start every time I want it to run. So it's made it quite a few power tours.